Well, hi there, everybody, and good Thursday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski. We are out of the coldest temperatures this morning since the overnight have actually warmed up a couple of degrees already, mainly partly because of the clouds that have increased out there through the overnight hours, but also starting to see that warmer air approach the area. It's still chilly this morning, don't get me wrong, but it was actually colder earlier this morning. We still have quite a few clouds around, even a few flurries, mostly in eastern Nebraska out there for the next couple of hours. These clouds will give way to mostly sunny skies later on in the day, and we start the warming process. Now, south winds are going to be picking up out of the at around 10 to 20, 25 miles per hour, and so that's going to help with that warming process. That said, it'll make it feel a little bit colder out there, but we're actually going to see a pretty wide range in temperatures today, much warmer out towards western portions of Nebraska, thanks to that warm front shifting eastward, and that front moves east overnight tonight. We may see an early evening high, or low, I should say, and temps may actually climb later in the night, at least a little bit, with that warm front coming through. Then partly to mostly sunny and spectacular for your Friday. The southern two-thirds of Nebraska and northern Kansas will see nice, mild conditions in the 60s and 70s. Farther north, with a few extra clouds, but also a lot of snow on the ground, a little more of a question mark. I'll tell you right now, one thing about forecasting temperatures with snow on the ground, it is extremely difficult. It's going to hold temperatures down compared to everybody else. That said, the big question is how much. Right now, we could see 40s or 50s for highs in northern Nebraska. It just depends on how much of an impact that snow has to the with the temperature out there in northern Nebraska. That said, there's going to be a lot of standing water out there because we're going to melt off a lot of snow thanks to those warmer conditions out there for tomorrow. We'll start to cool it back heading into the weekend. How about today, though? Again, a wide range in temperatures. We'll see temps in the lower 30s around O'Neill, but near 40 in Broken Bow. Maybe a couple of early flurries, but I think we're almost done with those. Some early clouds will give way to some sunshine later on today and some blustery south winds as we go through the day as well. Look at the temps out west, much warmer, 40s, 50s, almost 60 in Imperial. And again, there's one forecast model that has mid-50s in Imperial. There's another one that has upper 60s. So, yeah, just kind of pick your poison. I'm kind of going in between. I think we'll get close to 60 out close to the Colorado border for today. In the south, we're looking at temperatures upper 30s to upper 40s. Again, warmer the farther southwest you go. And to the east, we're looking at cooler conditions, upper or lower 30s around Columbus to upper 30s around Beatrice and Hebron, Belleville, Kansas. So a good range even out towards the east there. So the next couple of days, tomorrow, a warmer day. We're going to push near 70 for Friday in the Tri-Cities. There are some forecast models pushing into the lower 70s in the Tri-Cities. For your records tomorrow, 72 is your record in Grand Island as well as in Kearney. Your record is 73 in Hastings. I think we'll be awfully close tomorrow. Lincoln, your record's 75. I think it'll be a little bit cooler tomorrow in eastern Nebraska, not quite into the 70s, so I don't think you'll reach the record there. Now, we do start to cool it back over the weekend. More clouds on Saturday, holding temperatures back lower 50s. Could even see a little bit of light rain off towards the north and west of the Tri-Cities by Saturday afternoon. A little bit of that light rain makes its way southeastward Saturday night, maybe even mixing with some snow later in the night. Not going to be a lot of precipitation out of this. I'm not really expecting much for accumulating snowfall. We'll clear that out on Sunday, return to mostly sunny skies, but it will be a cooler, breezy day on Sunday. And then as we get into early next week here, mild conditions, looking at temperatures in the upper 40s, low to mid 50s. Not bad for this time of the year. I don't think there'll be any complaints. So a lot of good weather to come over the week ahead, tomorrow being the pinnacle. Everybody looking forward to your Friday for many, many reasons. So there you go. There's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you have a great Thursday.